Welcome to Clue, Criminal Law for UK Enforcement. What really makes something fraud? Is it stealing? Is it lying? Or is it something deeper? Fraud is about dishonesty with a purpose, using lies or tricks to gain something or cause someone else to lose. Today, we will be discussing fraud. It is not one offense, but rather one idea manifested in different ways. Let's unpack how it really works and when the offense is complete. Let's look at the three different types of fraud. Under the Fraud Act 2006, fraud can be committed in three ways: by false representation, Section 2, by failing to disclose information, Section 3, and by abusing a position of trust, Section 4. Think of them as three different boxes of deception. Each, when opened, dishonesty and intent to gain or cause loss are always found inside. The core formula. Every fraud offense has the same base ingredients: dishonesty plus intent to gain or cause loss. The only difference is how the offense is committed. In false representation means you lie. In failure to disclose means you hide the truth. And abuse of position means you misuse trust. In this video, we will focus on false representation, as this is the most common type of fraud. Fraud by false representation is the most common type of fraud. It's when someone dishonestly makes a false statement, knowing it's untrue or misleading, with the aim of gaining something or making someone else lose. You don't need a victim to fall for it. The lie itself is enough. What counts as a representation? A representation is anything that communicates information, spoken, written, or implied. It could be a text, an online form, even a tap of a stolen credit card. If it creates a false impression, it's a false representation. In Section 2 of the Fraud Act, it can even happen through a machine, like entering fake data into a computer. Imagine applying for a loan and saying you earn £40,000 when you really earn £25,000. You're making a false representation, a dishonest statement, to get money you wouldn't have got otherwise. Even if the bank rejects you, you've still committed fraud because the lie itself was dishonest. How a representation becomes false. A representation is false if it's untrue or misleading, and the person knows it is or might be. It's not an accident or mistake. It's a conscious lie or risk. For example, selling fake concert tickets or electronics online knowing they don't exist. That's fraud by false representation. As in other offenses, there must be actus rea and mens rea present at the time the offense is complete. For fraud is about what's going on inside your head, the mental element. There are two parts: dishonesty. Would an ordinary, decent person think that behavior was dishonest? Intention. What the person was trying to achieve. If both are there, it's fraud, even if the attempt fails. For the actus rea, the act of fraud by false representation is the making of a false claim or impression. It can be lying to get money, pretending to be someone else online, using a fake ID, claiming a product is genuine when it's not, as in the past examples before. The offense is complete as soon as that lie is made. Fraud by failing to disclose. Sometimes fraud isn't about lying. It's about keeping quiet when the law says you must speak up. Fraud by failure to disclose happens when a person hides information they're legally required to share, intending to make a gain or cause a loss. Imagine someone claiming benefits but not declaring their full-time job. Silence can be just as dishonest as speech. Fraud by abuse of position. Fraud by abuse of position happens when someone uses a trusted role to cheat. They're expected to protect another's interests, but instead, they use that position for personal gain. Think of a carer stealing from a patient, a manager moving company funds. It's fraud built on betrayal of trust, when the helper becomes the exploiter. Case law. In R versus Silverman 1988, Mr. Silverman was a repair contractor who overcharged two elderly clients who trusted him completely. He never told a direct lie, but by giving inflated prices, he created a false impression of fairness and dishonestly profited from their trust. The court held this was fraud, showing that abusing trust for gain is as fraudulent as speaking a false word. Recap. Fraud isn't just paperwork crime, it's deception in action. There are three types of fraud. False representation, you lie. Failing to disclose, you keep quiet. Abusive position, you betray trust. Dishonesty and intent to gain or cause loss is always the aim of fraud. False representation is anything that communicates information, spoken, written, or implied. We could have never come this far without you. Thank you for your continued support. It means everything to us. We hope you'll stick around and enjoy our other videos as we keep breaking down the law, one case at a time. Thanks for watching. If there's a legal topic you'd like us to break down, drop a line in the comment section below. We're here to make the law clear, practical, and easy to understand. If this helped, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep learning, keep overstanding. Know the law, understand the offense. See you next time.